Hey everyone, I'm going to go over this third angle projection symbol, how to do this drawing really quickly. It's not too bad. We're just looking at the proportions here, and so h is going to equal 1 inch. So what we're going to do is I'm going to map this out down here. It looks like our radius is 2 inches, so we've got our front view. It's just going to be a front view and a side view. So we've got 4 inches plus a 1 inch space plus 4 inches for our right side view. So this is a total of 4 inches, 1 inch space. And then our height is also 4 inches because our radius is 2 inches. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 inches going all the way up. So 4 inches. So it looks like this rectangle is going to be 9 by 4. So just like before, I'm going to grab my sheet, t-square. Hopefully you know the drill by now. I might only do this a few more times so we don't get too much overlap. So I'll do a quick corner, swipe it down, corner, swipe it down, next corner, next corner. Ooh, that was not good. Try that again. Okay, so now I need to find the center of my page. So grab my engineer scale. And I'm going to go to 10. So half of 10 is 5. So I'm going to grab my triangle. Triangle on the t-square. All the way up. Should be 6.9, which it is. So we're going to go 3.45 to there. Horizontal line. Now my width is going to be 4 plus 1 plus 4, which is 9. So notice, set my 4.5 right on that midpoint. Mark it 9. Mark it 0. So it probably should change the size on this, but that's okay. Looks like I've got to go this way. It's kind of hard to see because I don't have great studio lighting. I'm just subject to whatever the sun is giving me, and it's getting ready to set, so I better hurry. So there's my width. Height is 4, so I set it at 2. Mark it at 0. Mark it at 4. That mark is almost too light to see. There to there. There to there. So now I'm just going to go in and erase. I really should bring a brush one of these days. So there's the rectangle. Wow, that's actually kind of hard to see. So now I'll draw my front view first, which is the view with the 2 circles. So I've got 2 inches in, 2 inches up, gives me my center point. So I can just measure over 2 inches, make a mark. Vertical line, down 2 inches, make a mark, horizontal. And now I can use my circle template. I will have this available for you to use. So these are my circles, and yeah, it's actually a problem. So my largest circle is 3.5, which doesn't fit, but I can draw the smaller circle. So the smaller circle has a diameter of 2. So I'm just going to match up my 2-inch diameter circle line with the horizontal line, this line and this mark with the vertical. And now I can draw my inner circle. And then now I'm going to have to get out my compass, which is right here. Seems to be in good order. And I sure hope I can do this with the 4-inch or 2-inch radius, I guess. Yeah. It's not diameter, the compass is radius. So I can set it at 2 and 4. Hopefully you can see that. So 2 and then 4. And now I get to embarrass myself with the compass. I like to just tilt it the direction I'm going. Wow. That might be the best circle I've ever drawn with a compass. I'm glad I'm recording. Oh, is it still? Yeah, video's still recording. Okay, it hasn't glitched out yet. Nice. Let's submit that into the record books. Okay, so I'm going to go over 1 inch to right about here. So there's 1 inch, and now I can start my right side view. And I'm just going to project this. So I just need a line from here to here. And then I can project my marks there and there. And then it should match up with the corner. So it should go from this mark to the corner. So I'm going to grab my triangle, set it at that mark, set it at the corner. Like that. Same thing up here, corner to my mark. Right there. Sorry. And there we go. So that's basically it. The rest would be darkening it in, adding the proportions. You could just add the proportions. You don't need to put the actual dimensions. Just put, R2H for the radius, RH for the radius of the inner circle. Just drawing them, just like you see them right there. So don't forget to add the center mark, and then you could continue the center mark into a center line across this view as well. So hope that helps. I'm going to end this one short and then start multi-view 3 next. Thank you.